How we doing? Tell you what, I just made the quickest cup of tea in my bloody life. Ran upstairs, I'm out of breath. Hope everyone's alright. Friday's here, Friday's here. Right, let me just get myself sorted. Bit of an eventful morning really, pre-market wise. Right, I think we are good to go. I need to get a financial juice up quickly. Yeah, big push up all morning during the Asia and London. And then nice sort of sell-off pre-market. So yes, interesting. Question is it going to be all-time highs today, or is it going to be a sell-off today? That's the question. Weird, Truth Social isn't working for me. Telling me the request was illegal. Bizarre. Right. Right, let's get a poll up. Well, we got 3 minutes until we open. Options are a little bit different today. They're the only possible outcomes. So yeah, my targets for the day, or what I'm sort of eyeing up is if we're setting off, targeting yesterday's point of control, which is around 22,570. If we're pushing up, then I'm looking for all-time highs around 22,871. And we are pretty much bang in the middle of both of them. Yeah, 160 points to the all-time highs, 140 points for yesterday's point of control. The fact that we've had a big sell-off pre-market leads me to think we could be pushing for all-time highs, but yeah, literally bang on 8 o'clock we started selling off. So maybe it's just pushing down to then reverse to the upside maybe. See, should I try to try gold? I haven't even looked at gold today, mate. What's gold doing? Oh, gold is selling off. Yeah, that was them lows that we were looking at the other day, and we've blasted straight through that. Jesus. Still within that sort of daily range in gold, don't we? Yeah, definitely could fall down to the lower range of that. Yeah, I'm not trading gold at the minute. I'm just sticking to Nasdaq. Definitely the possibility of a choppy day, because we've had quite a decent day so far, really. Right, we're open. Market's open. I think gold sell off because of trade war reason in China. Yes, 100%. I think 100%. Everyone's going back to risk on. That's what we like. All pretty split so far, the vote. 40% all-time high, 40% chop. Taco, good morning, mate. How you doing? Bad yesterday. Oh, mate, lost control and discipline. Lost 2-3 days worth of losses the one day when closest to blowing the accounts. Oh, mate, unlucky. Yeah, unlucky, mate. Don't try not to have the attitude of, oh well, I may as well just carry on risking like that because I'm nearly blowing the accounts. Trying to deep breath, scale down, and yeah, just focus on slowly building it back up. Get some wins under your belt and then maybe start risking back up again. Yeah, definitely don't rush it. Maybe the market's crashing because because Truth Social's down. Bit of a choppy open so far. What a cheap $32 instant funding account. Trying to trade. What? $32 instant funding? What? So it's already a funded account with $32. What dodgy company's that with? iMan's trading strategy. Okay, right, yeah. So the 2.5k. Okay, alright, that makes sense. That makes sense. That's quite cool. I didn't even know you could go that cheap. Who's that with? See 2-3 days worth of wins. Get back there. My fault for not following the plan. Yeah, 100%, mate. That's a good way to think about it. Is just yeah, take it slow, scale down a little bit, and yeah, don't just go, fuck it, YOLO. I'm only a certain amount away from blowing that. May as well just one trade it and see if I can get it all back in one or lose it in one. Four traders, okay, 4.8 on Trustpilot. Yeah, I mean, I find Trustpilot can be a bit dodgy anyway. I'm sure that can be easily faked, but it's the only thing you can go off really in it these days. So yeah, good luck to you, mate. Hopefully it goes well for you. And yeah, let me know what iMan's strategy is like, because I've watched his exposing videos and stuff, but I don't think I've ever seen his strategy. And he was someone who struggled for a while, wasn't he? And finally found some profitability. See if I can get into a long position on the practice account. I missed my entry, I wasn't paying attention. See if I can we get a pull back. Got limit order set up. Yeah, it goes filled. So in and long on the practice account, take profit at all-time highs. Wouldn't be my normal take profit, but I just feel like we could go for all-time highs, so why not? Need to push through VWAP. Sort of around there now, just about getting through it. Yeah, he did struggle. He has 52-minute video on his strategy. Oh, mate, that's nice, man. Yeah, he has on Trading Live. There's an uploaded recently on that channel, okay. Yeah, to be fair, I imagine his exposing stuff takes fucking so much time up. The amount of work he puts into them videos is unreal. Leo, yo, how you doing, mate? So I could dive overnight. Yes, someone said that straight away as soon as I opened the stream up. I hadn't looked at it all day. Yeah, massive sell-off on gold. This is a daily chart. Yeah, if we break down below this little range that we're in, could be quite a big sell-off over the next couple of weeks. Going to trade the first hour, that's smart, man. That's smart. That's where I've always found the most success. When I was doing my best was when I was trading the first hour. Happy to do the sort of first 2 hours, but yeah, nothing more, nothing prior. Went long on the open, casual Friday craziness. I'm long on the practice account. Take profit all-time highs. I've had a pretty decent morning on the practice account, up 2 grand so far on the practice account today. Not really doing anything in particular other than just dicking around, really. Started off just messing around with VMAs and that, and then we're just sort of trading it as I saw it, kind of thing. Managed to sell the high just about of higher day. It was a bit rough because it just kept going up. Lovely close above VWAP and on the 5 minute, and we're just retesting it now. So I'm bullish on the day. I just want to wait for a bit more confirmation on the 5 minute before I'm looking to go long. Count as 3k, not 2.5, by the way. Okay. Yeah, it's good that they've got ones that cheap, because it sort of opens it up to a lot more people, doesn't it? Four traders. Google it quickly. Is anyone else's Truth Social down? This week I traded oil, gold, YM, ES, and NQ. What the fuck, man? Diversified trader. And that's hectic. Would have just had an entry, but couldn't get TradingView up and log in. Fuck me, man. That's not a good way to start. You'll be on the back foot. FOMO. About 30% off. First on buyers too. Usually about $42. Okay. Yeah, straight to fund them for 30 quid is well good. Nice. Another 5 minute close on the 5 minute. Looking strong. Never logged out, but somehow I was logged out today. Yeah, it's fucking typical. Mine used to log me out all the time. Every day I used to have to log in. Leo's long on this motherfucker. Yeah, I want to try and be a little bit patient today. Just in case, but yeah, I'm feeling like it's going to be a decent update, to be honest. $9.40 candle. Yeah, nice, man. I was liking the look of it, but I just wanted to wait till the 5 minutes looked a bit better. Yeah, lovely entry. Yeah, I've been experimenting this morning on the practice account with if I'm bullish, say, obviously lately I've been entering on the breakout of this candle. But if I'm bullish, what I'll do as soon as we start pushing down below the VWAPs, put a stop order in above the VWAPs. Not the VWAPs, fucking EMAs, sorry, not VWAPs. The EMAs. So then obviously, if we do come back up, which then creates that wick, I'll get still a really good entry with the wick there. And normally we push up pretty quick and I can get to break even pretty quick. It seemed to be working quite well this morning. Maybe it's because we're in a sort of decent trending day today, but yeah, it was able to cut the losers pretty quick at break even, and yeah, the winners were doing all right. So yeah, maybe that might be a better entry technique rather than waiting for the break of the candle. Just having a stop order in on the wick, basically, on the creation of the wick. I look for this type of candle at reject off the EMAs. Quite long on the 20 EMA of the 60 minute of the open lache. Doesn't matter if it's rejected, I'm trading. Well, I like to see these candles, but like you always say, by the time the candle's closed, you've missed the optimal entry. So this way, if you've got a stop order here, if you're entered, if you're filled, and on that wick, aren't you? Chances are you're going to get that wick, and chances are it's going to respect the EMAs, and you've got the best entry then, rather than waiting for it to come up here first. Obviously, there's always a risk that it comes down, comes back up, and then sells off, obviously, but yeah, the only reason I'm open for a short today is because we've had a very, very strong week. Just FOMO'd in, yellow, I guess. Not FOMO, just double the stop loss of half the risk now. Only 1 to 1 RR. Okay, mate. Fingers crossed here. It wasn't possible for me to do 1 trade per day strategy because I'm going to be wrong often. If I stop every time I'm wrong, I won't trade. Yeah, no, I get that. When I'm wrong, it's small. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, it's definitely a good way to be. And yeah, I took shitloads of trades this morning on the practice account. Yeah, maybe 35-ish trades this morning on the practice account. Obviously far too many. They're currently struggling to push past point of control for the day, so once we get past there, we could be open to move. I feel like the 5 minutes looking amazing at the minute. Let's see if I follow the rules. 730 buy again. Yeah, nice entry, mate. I've gone break even on my practice account. Where's my entry? 709 is my entry. They're around there. Oh, nice push up. And we're off. I'm just struggling, yeah, getting skeptical. Yeah, I was as well. It looks like we might be right. We had a decent close, didn't we? We know it wants to push, so just push, damn it. Lewis, how you doing, mate? Happy Friday. Well, I'm definitely green lighted for taking longs. Is he going to give me the chance? That's the question. Hits all time highs. I'll make 1-1 if it hit. Could have gone before. Would have made like 1 to 1.8. Okay. Man, you must have a crazy stop loss. Counts now at $32. Can't really complain. Nice, Ray. Nice one. Did you get that in the real account too? No, just on the practice account. Just on the practice account. It's not a normal, not my normal EMA strategy. Entry is here. There's a level that I like the look of here that we respected, and yeah, got it on the retest of the 1 minute zone. See, I'm not trading it on anything yet other than a practice account, just because it's new. Oh. If we get to all-time highs, it would be a 5.8 to 1. Just a matter of how much coke is left for the guys to push it. I think we've got to push it. I was looking, I don't know if I'll be able to see it on this. Can I do weeks on here? Yeah, I was looking at the weekly chart, and I was looking at previous the previous time that we took all-time highs, and literally the level that we took was pretty much spitting image to the same level that we've got now for all-time highs. And yeah, like the weekly candle just pushed straight through it, no problems. Closed above as well, I think. So I was thinking maybe we sell off when we get close, but we are going for it, man. 1500 up on the practice account. There's a few times now I've been in the markets when we've been close to all-time highs, and it does. It's like a magnet for it every time I've been here. Once we get close enough, it does just rocket. Well, we're just taking a high of the day, so we could get a little bit of a retracement, maybe an entry. And for the day, 33. Oh, $17 today and 15 yesterday. Nice. Happy days, Ray. Happy days. Enjoy your weekend, man. Ended getting late. Make my additional. Would have made 800. 250 risk. Actually, one more. Oh, mate. I think it was like the top step where 3 is 3 across all, yeah. Yeah, I've never copy traded with anyone else, but yeah, top step is like that, innit? Most successful I've traded, so high man doing wonders for me. I've always lost a day trading. Nice, man. But yeah, fingers crossed it keeps going well for you. Obviously, nothing's certain until you've got 6 months plus of positive data on it. Even then, it still can change, can't it? I had 4 or 5 months of positive data, then it will change for me. So. Need to invite my girlfriend having out shopping, so I set up at 2:40. Yeah, do it, mate. The trouble is, it could be whatever you want it to be, can't it? Just tell her that you would have risked £1,000 on that trade. We've made back basically all of the loss from yesterday. You can't think like that though, mate. Don't be like a could have done this, could have done that kind of thing, because that won't help your mindset, your emotions. Just take it as you called it right. You got to win. Yeah, the risk wasn't right, but it is what it is, isn't it? Move on. Take the next one. Just have one day that actually works as a miracle. Only swing trade. Yeah, I mean, it's a good start though, isn't it, mate? It's little boost to your morale. And yeah, just come back and do that day in, day out, mate, and hopefully it keeps working for you. Maybe the market's going up because Truth Social is down and Trump can't tweet. There's no risk. Gotta not tilt, man. I'm sick. Yeah, don't tilt, man. Don't tilt. Maybe even just call it a day now. End the week on a winning day, and yeah, enjoy your weekend with that. Because yeah, you don't want to go red on the Friday, mate. That's shit. I'm so pleased. Oh, I'm happy for you, Ray. I'm happy for you. Good way to end the week, innit? Enjoy the weekend now, can't you? In hindsight, we would all be rich. Yeah, not the case. Move on. Look at the positives. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's what I mean. Take it as you called it right. You got a winning trade in. It's Friday. Enjoy it, man. Don't think about the money side of it. I'm really trying to do that at the minute. I'm really trying to not focus on the money, and just sort of think of it as winning trades and losing trades, and that's it. So I feel like that would be beneficial for me. I think as soon as you start getting into the mindset of, oh, well, I need to make back what I lost yesterday, this is some bad news, isn't it? Because you're instantly risking up. You're instantly maybe taking trades you wouldn't normally take just to try and get in a win to make up for yesterday. And I'm easily go down that road, I do, so. Going to turn off the switch, yeah, man. I'm absolutely buzzing about the practice trade up, man. Even if I don't get in a trade on the challenge account, on the funded or anything today, at least I've had a really good day on the practice account. I should probably actually move my stop loss up as it's still at break even. I stayed long from 7:30. Fuck, I gotta get that missed money. And this cracks the downside, it's gonna fly in it. Yeah, maybe. I don't know if we'll get it though. I don't know if we'll. To be fair, I think once when we were near all-time highs, we didn't quite get there and we sold off dramatically. And yeah, no, I don't think anyone was expecting it. I think everyone gets into the mindset when we're this close is, oh, it's going to hit all-time highs. Which is a recipe for a big sell-off, isn't it, really? Something's going on. I feel like it's looking a bit volatile. My weekend gotta go work a double after this. 2 PM to 6 AM. Oh, mate, that's fucking shit. $2 PM to 6 AM, that's fucking awful. You see lots more green weeks before. Yeah, semi-big sell-off as profit take, yeah. Just another entry bro complaining. I'm the opposite, but I'm a bear, so yeah, that's true. You're always looking for the sales, aren't you? Do. Do you reckon Top Set would let me have a payout on the practice account? Yeah, Lewis, take it, man. It's nice to have a little morale boost, I think. Even if it's only a small one, it's nice to get something out of them, I think. Always cheers me up. No more complaining. They ask MP, I don't know if he'll allow it. So I can buy a QQQ for my pension. It'd be up like 5%, yeah, man. Yeah, I managed to get into a EQQQ. I briefly sold my position on Friday and got into silver. And obviously that amounted to a whole load of nothing, so I flipped back to Nasdaq on the Monday, I believe. So I'm glad I did, because we've had a fucking cracking week. What am I up? Up 0.82%. That fucking can't be right, surely. I feel like EQQQ is lagging like fuck though. When I was looking this morning. Buddy, my MicroStrategy positions annoying me as well. I'm up 10% right on MicroStrategy. But because the dollar's fallen so hard against the pound, I'm only up 0.22% in pounds. Fucking piss take. Oh, we're getting a pullback. Concentrate for a minute. I'm all set up for a buy if we push back up. Lower my entry slightly, added more contracts. Oh, here we go, we go. Number him. Or I might break even on the fundeds. Got to break even on the challenge account as well. Don't want to end the weekend in the red at all. So that's 1-to-1 here. Well, I'm stopped out on the funded. $35 win. Tried up just at the low of the candle. Boom, 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 boom. So it might be a break-even trade on the challenge account, but yeah, break even. Break even. Yeah, nice little win on the funded. I want to take 10k in 2 months, mate. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? That'd be nice. $2.2 away. Nice, Lewis. Nice. Got a physical silver coin at 23 quid. Had to pay like 4 quid in tax. Was stupid. EQQ is equal weight for all stocks. Doesn't move like EQQ. Oh, does it not? Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, I didn't know that. Of course it isn't it? It's because it's EQQ. Oh, you pillock. How have I never realised that? That's what the E's for, innit? Equal weight. Is it EQQ I'm in? Yeah, yeah. Honestly, I've been in this for maybe a year or so, never even realised. Might have to change that. Let me get a pullback next, maybe. Nice, Sam. Cheers, Lewis, mate. Glad I went break even. I'm glad I took profits early on the fundeds. In hindsight, obviously should have had take profit at 1-to-1 because I probably got I don't know, maybe 0.75, 0.8 on it. Not one person in office anyway, you can count on no. Afternoon Sam, afternoon Cal, mate. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're well. Hope your week's been alright as well. Just call that short nice, Lewis. EQ is at break even this year, while NQ is at 13%. Yeah, when did I get into it? It must have been I think it was only like March or something, to be fair. I was up a decent amount. I made 250 quid on it. I was up 10% at one point. And I sold at the highs. Yeah, bought it 7th of April, sold it 24th of June, and I'm back in now, but yeah, it must have been nearly 10%, I think. Point scout 460, nice. Yeah, very quick sell off that. Which you was expecting, wouldn't you, Lewis? And compared with one you go, okay, yeah, not year to date, okay, that makes sense. But yeah, that'll be why it's lagging then, because yeah, I assumed it was normal weighted. Should have called like this. Said, "Oh, are you down now? Are you?" Cut myself. 3-4 weeks of funders wasted. Oh, unlucky is Taco, mate. Unlucky. Unlucky, mate. It is what it is, man. It's trading's hard. You can make yours. Yes, not too bad. Up slightly on the challenge account. And I'm up on the funded account if you don't count Monday. Yeah, $35 win on each account today. So yeah, there's $100 up yesterday on the fundeds and $100 up today on the fundeds, overall free. But I was also $750 down on Monday on the fundeds. if you don't count Monday, I've had a good week. But yeah, Monday was a bit of a one-off. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with my trading this week, to be honest. Big improvement for how it has been, so I'm just taking the wins. And yeah, I think this is now the second trade on this challenge account where if I'd taken 1-to-1, like I have been on the funded, I'd have had 2 winners that I've gone break even on. $1.3k off second base. Lewis, I'm sure it was something similar yesterday when it's someone else is obviously second has obviously made a bit yesterday as well and today. Hedge plan is to buy QQQ3 when the SPY closes above 12 month, move an average and buy some. At 30%, yeah, fucking hell. That's decent, man. That's decent. I'm not that switched on. I'll just buy the Nasdaq and flip between that and gold. Basically, is what I have been doing. And I'm in MicroStrategy at the minute on my pension just because I'm big on Bitcoin, so But it'll be out of that probably by the end of the year, maybe. Or maybe I'll just leave it in there, to be honest. Maybe I'll leave it in there for 20 years. Imagine what MicroStrategy would be in 20 years. Maybe it would be like the new Nvidia. That'd be mad, wouldn't it? I'll be fucking made for retirement, I'll tell you that. What's up, how's the week? Just joined the stream. Not too bad, Johnny, mate. Up slightly on the challenge account. If I'm not included Monday, I'm up on the funded. I had a bit of a one-off red day on Monday, which is not something I would normally... Not that it wouldn't normally be red, but it was like a ridiculous red day. 750 down, 750 down on Monday on the funded, so over all 3 accounts. Trying to trade the Asia Open with the US-Iran stuff that was going on, so... If I don't include that, I've had a good week. I'm up 2R on the funded. Win yesterday, win today, and yeah, up slightly on the challenge account. And I'm a lot happy with my trading this week, other than Monday, from what it has been like the last probably couple of months, to be honest. I feel like I've turned a new leaf. What about your week, mate? How's your week been, Johnny? Should be happy with how you've taken this week. Half a few weeks, last Monday, and you've gone grind it and turned it into a good week. Yeah, man. Well, I'm trying to look at the positives. Like I said, Monday is not something that happens ever to me. It's the first time that's ever happened, anything like that. On the fundeds, at least, anyway. And it was just me being silly. I know it's not a mistake I'm going to make again, so there's no point in, like, sitting on that and just being miserable all week. I may as well just, yeah, turn a new leaf, fresh slate, and yeah, coming in my head, Monday didn't happen, and I'll just come in Tuesday to a fresh week. And yeah, I feel like I've had a decent week. I'm really happy with it. Really happy with it. Yeah, I just need to maybe just look to take one-to-ones on the challenge account as well, because that's what's doing well for me on the fundeds at the minute. Small base hits in and out. Took 400 loss and someone blowed a big 2k win. Okay, just shows up winner to close the gap again. Oh, nice. Yeah, say it's the trouble. You're not just competing against yourself and how you're doing yourself, are you? Competing against others, aren't you? So you have no idea how others are going to perform. When you have a good day, someone might have a better day. Well, Matt D crosses an RSI. 550 for gold in the monthly. I'm sure I've had someone else say that. I read a book when someone said that. When my pension, I had EQQQ for maybe about 6 months of last year. Swapped out of that in December for gold because of Trump and his tariff stuff. Sort of preempted that, and that was a really good fucking call. My issue was that I jumped from gold into MicroStrategy far too early in around Feb, I think, and yeah, went down on MicroStrategy for a good while. Back up on it now, but and yeah, gold went on and did a lot more for the next couple of months. So yeah, didn't time that very well, but whoa, what's going on here then? Right, I think it's probably time to move my practice account stop up. Yeah, stop is now 1,000 profit on the practice account at this low. Still targeting all-time highs. Honest, when Asia hard to trade at the open. Yeah, I mean, it was literally purely because of the US obviously bombed around over the weekend, and I was coming in with the bias of a big red day, big sell-off on Nasdaq, big buy day on the on oil, crude oil. I was expecting that basically from the open. Never traded Asia open before, never traded a gap down situation like that before, and yeah, just kept trying to short a long market. So pretty good. Last 2 weeks been good. Challenge now to keep it up. Yep. Not trading today. Maybe just do some back testing next week. Work on my day. Yeah, that's a good shout, mate. That's a good shout. It's a bit wild today, so yeah, probably not a bad day to miss, to be honest. Yeah, man, base hits is the truth. Yeah, I need to get it into my head though. I don't know why it's so hard for me to try and get out of my head the longer trades. I think this is helping though. Literally watching my funded take winners, my challenge account take losers, or not losers, but well, sometimes losers and or break evens, doing the same trades. I find that helpful because then I'm just sort of rewiring my brain to be like, right, you need to change out what you're doing. Now a break even on the day, all time high, put me up 300, but I'll take that. Yeah, mate, call it if you break even, call it, and yeah, enjoy your weekend, man. The worst thing you can do now is go red and have a really shitty weekend wishing that you'd just stopped and come back fresh Monday, man. Do you buying American weapons? Because of NATO's 5% target. Okay. Why can't they put it themselves? Yeah, you think they would, wouldn't you? Trump's probably told them that they've got to buy US weapons. I'm proof of basics. Yes, 100% Lewis, you are. I think that's probably a good reason why I sort of am trying to lean towards that. Trading my stops up aggressively and... But I'm trying to get into the habit of, rather than having my take profit here, putting my take profit higher and just dragging my stop loss up to below it all the time. Do you know what I mean? In the off chance you do get a big push up. I imagine I didn't gamble and took the first win for the day, made 500 yet. It's all a big mental game. I'm negative hour on this new express fund there, nearly 2k in 5 trading days. Full base here, it's currently 83% win rate. Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, so I've been trying to do on the practice account this morning is base hits, and I think I was running at about 50% win rate. Yeah, up 2k I think on the day I was pre-market. Obviously risking way more than I normally would. Gotta go for base hits and take profit funded. Yeah. Trend drawdown is the worst of retrace. Yeah, that's also what I'm trying to work on it as well, because yeah, once I pass the challenge account, when I pass it, trading the way I trade now, I wouldn't last 5 minutes on the fundeds. So you're happy to hold, mix of the two, could pay you out well, yeah. But I'm holding today because I'm convinced we're doing all-time highs, but I'm trading up as well, so. EU and US confident they'll reach tariff deal by the July deadlines. Put a bar order in. Pass me in. Not the response I wanted. Yeah, stopped out. Lost on the challenge account then, didn't take it on the funded. Thank God. Tempted to get back in here, but I don't know if I should. Probably ruin my week if I do and take another loss. Well, this moves because of trying to trade stuff. Oh, was it? So, how are you doing, mate? I haven't seen you in a little while. Hope you're well. Well, have a good one. See you later, Johnny, mate. Cheers for stopping by. Don't want to get tempted to put on a trade. Yeah, I don't blame you. To move a lot of my trades to ES. A bit of a cheat code sometimes with predicting reactions, okay. Trump basically told Europe to do the 5% NATO idea and buy American bombs or they would be tariffed yet. Yeah, it doesn't surprise me. Trump IQ is 180 and 70 as well. Some stuff is really good, but other stuff you really can't do well. Oh no, man, it's bizarre, isn't it? Big sell-off. Yeah, I was just literally about to close my practice account trade, but it stopped me out. So what was that? $1,000 win, I believe. Yeah, $1,000 win on that. On the practice account, of course. $1.92 in the end. Sitting back and not caring about trading for a minute made me realise that, yeah. It's good to reflect sometimes, isn't it? Yeah, it's not trading as much right now, okay. We'll look at ES quickly. Oh yeah, it's not, is it? Very good start. You can be thankful of that. Otherwise, you'd have had to deal with that massive drop. Yeah, and I probably wouldn't have been filled very nicely either. So yeah, happy with that stop. Yeah, I was trying to be a bit preemptive there. Obviously, could say we were a bit range bound, but the thought process was we've had the sweep on the 1 minute, come down, had a nice retracement. On the 2 minute, we're looking quite good. Had that large pullback, respected the EMAs, push back up. Yeah, we've got some rejection wicks here, but yeah, not mad about the entry. I don't think there's really anything wrong with it. Could be maybe a bit of a larger time frame bull flag or something until the next push up in the PM session, maybe. Boom, boom, boom. Long on that sweep, plus 50 EMA. 5-7, the 5-7-5-8, yeah. Lovely entry, mate. Lovely entry. It's such fun and hard to enter down here. That's when them stop orders come in handy. Once we push down below here, put in a buy stop order, and even if it's just trading the little reaction off of it. Yeah, definitely need to back test with that a little bit more. Right, I need to quickly fill up my journal for the funded trade that I took. Alright. Doing dominoes tonight, boys. It's gonna be a good day. Right, entry time 10:20, exit 10:22. Don't know what my stop loss was. What was my stop loss? $12.25. Yeah, it was only a 0.7 in the end. Well, that's fine. $34, 2 times 3, $103.56 over all 3 accounts. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. You know, I'll have a big portion load on a stiff setup. That's 25% size, $70. Easy account builder. Yeah, nice, mate, nice. Yeah, so yeah, I need to do a bit more back testing on that entry, and I'd feel a bit more confident entering those trades purely for the fact that if we do carry on pushing down and we don't get back above the 50 EMA, I won't get filled. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, nice entry here. Could have played it back up here. Got a nice little 1-to-1 out of it at least. Straight to break even. Yeah, I need to do a bit of back testing with that. Might take the wife's laptop to work tomorrow and do some back testing in the shed. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to call it a day there. So yeah, loss on the challenge account, so I'm slightly down on the week on the challenge account. But that's fine. I'm pretty happy with how I've traded this week, so can't really complain. Big improvement to how it has been, basically. Which is good. And yes, up 2 hour on the fundeds this week. You're not including Monday. Yes, enjoy your weekend. I want to go and have some dominoes. Can't wait. Can't wait. Yeah, take it easy. Enjoy the weekend. Take it easy if you're still trading today. I'll be keeping an eye on the chart to see if we get all-time highs at some point. Maybe in the PM session. Yeah, enjoy everyone. Cheers for stopping by. I'll see you Monday.